This is actually the transportation we are using, going to work every 3 weeks. Now we are on the rig now. This is, you call it Lloyd normal. Can you hear that? Okay, we are in the middle of the sea. I don't know, it's 1.5 hours away from the shore. And this is the transportation we are using every time we have to come to work. So it's 3 weeks, every 3 weeks we have to be on this one. And usually Greg, which one is that? It's an
Mariner Bravo.
Mariner Bravo. What is it doing?
It's an oil tanker.
It's an oil tanker.
We suck the oil out the ground and the oil goes in that.
Okay, and they
boat
bring it
comes
to the
along,
beach.
takes it off of that and takes it to the
And
beach.
take it to the beach. And those two small, well, it looks small, but I'm sure it's big as well, huh? This is the rig, the noble rig.
You got all your stuff out again.
Yes.
I don't think I left my radio in it. I don't think it is.
Look at that. Beautiful in here, huh? Dear place in the world.
Right, we done?
Sorry?
Are we done? You finished?
Yes,
Right.
almost. Almost.
You want here? You want to look at
It's Greg, he's the safety guy in the rig. One of the important one, you don't do anything in here unless he's here. Oh, that's the Mariner. How many people on board right now?
250.
250.
250 and man, 142 on the Lloyd Noble.
Okay.
All right.
That's a lot of people, eh? Hi, how you doing?
I'm well, thank you.
Well, I'm doing a vlog.
Okay,
I'm only joking.
You have to talk
We
to
just
my-
get a chance. Okay,
You have
I'm
to
making
talk
some
to my
Oriental. We are
agent.
making some Oriental night tonight, so I'm sure you'll be having your dinner over here right now, no?
Very good. You have to talk to my agent if you want any photographs.
Oh, okay.
Right, Mr. Dom, I'll see you in a second.
Okay, thank you very much. See ya.
Yeah.
It's beautiful here, eh? It's totally different kind of story from other people, eh? It's cold in here, eh? As well. That's the noble. That's a drilling platform. Now we are going inside. Look at this, eh?
See, come on round here, you'll see. This is as far as we can go in Mario.
Yeah. So this is totally this is a drilling rig, and the other one is the
That's right.
the
We're the
platform.
drilling
Huh?
rig platform. You can't see
That's
the platform.
Yeah, you can see. Okay, that's good. Look at that. It's all the safety gears that you get out. Yes, everything. And this is the entrance from the accommodation. Everything is very safety. You need to press this through to open. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. This is the accommodation for Lloyd Noble.
I'm still taking. I'm still.
How you doing? he's one of the pilots, eh?
Yeah.
Right.
It's done today. Yeah.
Oh, you will have dinner here tonight?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Oriental night tonight.
Are you the cook?
Yes.
Oh, well, the
Okay.
chef. They were already telling me. They were telling me this new chef is the best in the world. They were all saying it in.
Oh, wonderful. So they're selling me already.
On my father's grave, they were telling me this is the best chef anywhere in the North Sea.
Wonderful. That's good. Good to hear
On my
that.
father's grave, they were just telling me, said, you are in luck if you stay here tonight.
Okay. Don't you stay tonight and you will have some Oriental time. Sunday tonight, huh?
Well,
So.
that's big praise saying it's
Okay.
the best in the North Sea. I want to try that.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. And those are the rooms. And this is the elevator. Whew. Some places in the rigs. It's quite nice and clean. Oh, this would be so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 levels. Oh, this rig is quite big, unbelievable. Now I'm going down. Okay, this is the level B. where you can actually, this is the rooms. This is all the accommodation where people sleep. Okay, let's sleep in this one. So it's all the rooms and everything. I'm sleeping all the way in the back at the very end, so you don't hear the noise. It's something, well, water to drink, fountain. And this is the most important place on the rig. It's the galley. So obviously before you enter, you have to make sure that you use this one. Now there is a barrier because no one is allowed to get in unless they have some business to do over there. Okay, some information. Okay, and this is the mess room. You can see all the mess room is in here. Okay, there we go. Now you can see from outside it's very safe in here. And this is all, wow, it's all the food. Amazing. Amazing. You can live here without any problem. The only problem we have over here, we don't have a woman. Oh, we have a woman, but it's not for us. So obviously television here as well. And this is obviously the food. We have this was on the lunchtime. We have Oriental night tonight. It's every Sunday. And this is where you can get the food. Obviously there's no food yet. So before later. Soup anytime you like. No problem. And here we go. We have some best stewardess and steward working right now. This is the galley. Where everybody's cleaning right now. It's Sunday cleaning, so everyone is cleaning. Say hi, Senor Ian. Senor Jason.
Hello.
Hey! Senor Dal.
Hola, buenos días.
Yeah, those are the sauces. Sweet and sour sauce, peanut sauce, teriyaki sauce, and this is the curry sauce. That's fine. I say that you're cleaning. No problem. No, you're on the video right now. You're on the video.
2 weeks later.
No, don't say. It's on the video right now. Okay, and this is the cleaning area, obviously. Here we go. Yes, we're cleaning right now, cleaning all the filters to the dish machine. Dishwasher machine.
Who is it on?
Oh, no, it's in the video.
Before?
No, I'm videoing. I'm doing the vlog. This is a vlog for this week. Look at that, that's S. Senor Doggy! Say hello, Senor Doggy! Say hello! Hello!
Hello, what's that to like? Who's that to?
Huh?
Who's that to?
To anybody. And this is, so obviously this is my office. Yes. That's a hard one. All these paperwork and everything. This is where I actually sit, hide if it doesn't want to work, obviously. And this is the way out to... Oh, there is another one.
Hello.
Hello.
Who are we talking to? Your boy?
This is the dry store. No, it's you're in the video right now.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a vlog.
awesome.
And this is all what is, well, something to eat. Those are the leftovers that we can use anyway. This for the night shift. Oops, it's not supposed to be like that, huh? Okay, I'll deal with that with the chef later. Okay, and we have this. This is the vegetable area. You can see. Oh, you have nice music there, huh? And this is all this. What you need, you just have to come over here. Every time you pick up something, you make sure you issue it. Otherwise, the compost is not gonna be happy, and that's gonna be me. That's gonna be me.
So scary. Don't hit me again, Dominic.
And this is the freezer. Yeah. It's the freezer for fish and some vegetables. And this is the meat products, frozen one, cold inside. And obviously we have also dairy products, some eggs, mayonnaise, and some cheese obviously. Yes. And we have some spices obviously. We can have a look one of the spices. Spices, wow, there's a chili powder, my God, you don't want to use that, do you? Okay, so we have this, some coriander, You have some, of course, black pepper. And this is the way out. Also, on the way out is some potatoes in here. Juices everywhere. You have to press the bottom. Come on. And then it's opening. And it's on the way out as well. Look at that. So this is where we throw all our garbages. Look at that. And if you feel lonely, don't come here closer. Because the moment you come in here, you don't want to jump, huh? And that's the helicopter landing place, let's say that. So, okay. And that's it for a while, and then I will continue probably later so you can see. Oh my god, it's too much pressure now, huh? Another elevator. And here, if you open this one, that is also another place for. See, those are the buildings that other people are working right now. Okay, then I'll do it again later.